10.2, example 3. In this example, we're actually going to start just adding and multiplying and subtracting vectors together. In the last video, we saw all of the rules and all the representation. And in this video, we're going to go ahead and just work out some of those applications. So the first thing we're going to do is let u equal the vector -1, 3, and v equal the vector 4, 7. So if I want to find 2u plus 3v, I'm going to go ahead and write that out. So it's going to be 2 times the vector -1, 3 plus 3 times the vector 4, 7. So I distribute in the 2, and I get -2, 6 plus 12, 21. And then all I do is add the components. So I add the x with the x, and I get 10. And then I add the y with the y, and I get 27. All right, for part B, I want to do u minus v. So again, u was -1, 3, subtract, and then v is 4, 7. So then -1 minus 4 is going to give me -5, and 3 minus 7 gives me -4. So for part C, it says those absolute value bars, 1/2 of u. So what it's really looking for is 1/2 of the magnitude. So it's 1/2, and then u is -1, 3. And you can either distribute the 1/2 in now, or you can do it after the magnitude. I like to do it after I find the magnitude, because it's going to make my numbers easier because I won't have to deal with fractions. So it's 1/2, and then the magnitude, -1 squared plus 3 squared, which is 1/2. The square root of 9 plus 1 is 10. So my answer is going to be radical 10 over 2. And again, that's a scalar value that has no direction. It's just the length of the vector. On your own, I want you to go ahead and determine 2u plus 3v when u is 2, -3, and v is -5, 2. So go ahead, give that a try now. All right, so let's give it a try. So we're going to go ahead and work this out. And that's it. That's really all there is to the basic properties of vectors. It's pretty much like the distributive property and adding properties. Just keep the x and y's all lined up. And then here are a list of the properties all formalized. So go ahead, take a second now, and copy that down.